Well, the first step is going to be to make a chord progression, and I've got a video linked below on how to do that really quickly and easily. But let's take a listen to this one here that we're going to make our top line melody with. Very simple, very straightforward, but that's great for making top line melodies. Next, use your mind's ear and try to imagine the melody. This works sometimes and it doesn't always work, but it's definitely the first thing to do. Just listening to those chords and trying to imagine your melody. If that fails, let's move to step 3. Find the key of the chord progression, and if you don't know how to do that, I've got a video linked below to help you out with that. And then we're gonna just choose a couple notes from the scale. So here we have the scale, which is E major. And I'm just gonna delete all but the first 3. You can choose any that you like. Listen through it a few times and just choose a few. Here's the 1, 2, and 3. Probably won't even use the 3 at first. Just start with that 2 and the 1. Switch them here, and I'm just gonna start playing around now. In my mind, I hear them kind of faster, so I'll shorten them up a little bit. And I'm just trying to imagine a melody using these notes now. Missed my beat there. There we go. Well, now we're going to try to make a couple copies of this melody. I call it the A melody. So let's copy it 1 or 2 times, and then we'll just change it a little bit each time. So let's see on this one. Yep. Do one more. Okay, so each of those got simpler and simpler. So I have 3 versions of my A melody. Now we want to make a B part, something contrasting from the A part in some way. So let's lay in the notes of that major scale again. And this time, I think I'll go with the 3 again, skip the 4, use the 5, maybe the 6. But for now, the 3 and the 5. Make them short again, and play with these notes. Maybe too short. Next, we're just going to slide these around and come up with some different variations until something really starts to come together. So I'll try A, B, A, B. It's okay, but let's try A, A, B, A. that combo. Let's try BB, or AABB. Okay, I like that one the best so far, and I think I'll just change the second B part a little. Now just kind of challenge the melody a bit. I think I'd like to pull this note up here. See how this sounds. I'd also like to pull these two notes up. And maybe we'll bring these back since I've done that second change. I think I'll try it with these how they were before. Okay, I like that better. Well, we've got our top line melody for today, and I think the next step would be to try to come up with some lyrics that could fit with this. And as you're making those lyrics, try to really fit with your melody, because you've already spent time on that. And if you do find a better melody while you're coming up with these lyrics, change your melody for that reason. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.